So today I'm going to be playing Teardown. It's actually a really cool game with like really cool physics. I've played it a bit by myself and I love this game, so I figured it'd be a good game just to play on here, relax a bit. I love that you can just throw stuff. Oh, see, cause all that damage. Throw it through the wall. Yeah. This is my house. Yeah. Wait, can I just... Why didn't I just do that? That's more efficient. Get my gear. Now I can come over here. Wait. Replace fuse to turn on power. That's over here? No, it's out here. Okay. Love breaking trees and stuff. But yeah, I'm just gonna play through the campaign. Maybe later I'll play with some mods or something. There's a lot you can do in this game. Like lots of mods, lots of fun things, so yeah, I'm kind of excited about it. Gas bill. Oh yeah, my mom. Tracy, is that my mom? Yeah, that is my mom. Saying that we're broke. Old building problems. Yeah, I'll go get rid of that old building. Let's go destroy a building. Alright, we're here. So, I remember actually having issues with this the first time I tried, but that's because I didn't know I could just pick up this and use it as like a battering ram. Just to destroy everything. Okay, maybe I can't. Oh yeah, I can. I just need to throw it a lot. Come on. Nah, I'm kidding. Propane tanks explode when thrown. Just like me. That's one. Two. I gotta be careful, or else I'm just gonna kill myself. Yeah, I love breaking stuff. So I'm not convinced I'm actually gonna break it if I do that. Oh, I should be aiming up higher. Oops. Oh well, you win some, you lose some. Hopefully the last one does it. If not, oops. It's the philosophy I live by. And right there. Did it do it? Eesh, it did not. But we can just throw this at it and it'll break it free. Oops. My aim sucks. Yeah. If I throw it enough, I swear I'll break through. Oh, we got like one block connected left. Where did it go? But where did it go? Wait, can I drive this? No way. I didn't realize you could drive this. This makes it so much easier. Man, I thought I knew how to play this game. That's a little bit awkward. We're just gonna pretend I didn't do that. And we're gonna get in this one. Yeah. This is so much better. Break through here. Man, I love this house that just defies gravity. It's getting harder to break this last section. Probably because there's another vehicle in my way. Oh well, we got this, we got this. Last shot. And the house is down. Just need to break it down a little bit more and we'll be gold. 2 meters too tall. We did it. Take that house. Yeah. First mission accomplished. Let's go. What I did there was highly illegal. Continue. Oh. As we all do. Can't be bothered to use stairs. Woo! What's on the TV today? Perfect. Investigation. I'm a criminal now. Well, nice. Just so you know, I don't usually do this, but I'm stuck on a case and I feel like I should try something new. I've been investigating the Lawrence Lee Jr. takeover, but tax evasion, blah 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 blah. Let's go break his house down. The Lee computers. Let's go. Man, I love tax evasion. Lee chemicals. Not anymore. Tab. Okay, so I need to get that one, that one, and that one. We'll start with that one because it's the furthest away from my getaway vehicle. I will be honest, I have done this before. Unfortunately, I have no idea how I did it, so can I just blow myself up? Nah, you need a gun to blow those up. Okay. Up there. Think you get in right here? You do. Okay. Grab valuables, why not? Oh, I accidentally like locked myself in. Cool. Okay, can I get up there from here? No. How do I get in there? I don't remember. I do not remember. Oh, okay, that's how you do it, I think. Or maybe not. Nope. But you can probably do it from right here if you just jump, break the window, get in. Perfect. That's the computer? Nice. Okay, next computer. I thought they had alarms on these, I guess not. That makes this mission pretty easy. I'll break into this door. Oh, it's locked. Cool. There's pipes. Can I get into there onto those pipes? Maybe not. Okay. Follow the pipes. Okay. We can get in there from in here. Nice. Gotta be crafty sometimes. I know that's not my target. This is. I just like breaking stuff. Another computer stolen. Last computer's all the way over there. I'm gonna make a boom. Yeah. Oh, I wanted to make a bigger boom actually, so. Beautiful. I love making explosions. Okay, last spot right in here. Just gonna break through the wall like any normal guy would. Steal their computer, break through the wall to leave. We good. We got all their computers. And for the fun of it, I don't like their front gate. Apparently I can't destroy it, so I'm leaving. Successful mission. Let's go. Another one. Oh, I think this is the first time that we have to deal with alarms. 60-second after alarm. Yeah, we gotta deal with some alarms now. We gotta be careful. Locked. They think they can keep me out with a simple lock. I just wanted to break their tower. That had nothing to do with getting in. You can literally just go boing, boing, and you're in. They've got the worst defenses ever. Okay. Let's see if... Judging from this, if we start here, we can jump out onto that, run down, get that one, go from there over here. No. Yeah. Over here, jump onto there, get that one, and then dart into the freedom. We're gonna start with this one. Okay. How do I get in here? Ah, other side. Cool. What's the point of having, like, bars if you're not gonna have bars all the way around? So I'm actually gonna do, like, a test run to make sure this works. So far, it's looking like it doesn't. Ah, wait. Okay, if we go this way, maybe. I feel like a speedrunner. Like, you gotta have that route planned out. Then you jump up here. Come in here. Get that one. From that one, we go out this window. Onto here. This is not the original route I was planning at all, but it'll work. Alright, now that we got the route planned, I guess the only thing to do is just do it. Oh, gotta be careful, don't want to fall off. Okay. As soon as I take this, I've got 60 seconds. Oh, quick save, that's a good point. Okay. Ooh, shoot. I don't perform well under pressure. Oh no! This has been the worst heist in history. Okay. If you came here for high skill gameplay, you're at the wrong spot. No! Okay. Okay. You never saw that. That last run never happened. Shoot. That's okay, we can live with that. Yeah. Why did my jump not work? Oh well. That attempt never happened. Okay. Third time's the charm, baby. Let's go. Shoot. Like I said, third time is the charm. I'm probably doing this in a, like, overly complicated way. There's probably a way easier way to do this. Okay, best run so far. Jump up on this box. Shoot. Oh, I missed the box. Okay. How do I get in there without that box? Is there literally no other way in? Dude. Back entrance? No, it's locked. Okay. So we can't miss that jump. Which I consistently do. Okay, good. Not restart mission, quick load. We got it this time, though. Let's go. Yes. And then got that one. Get that one. Out onto the balcony. Jump up. And jump up. Good. In here. Perfect. that's gonna hurt. Shoot, wait, the door's still locked. Yeah, I can probably get out with this. I should have thought about that ahead of time, but it worked out fine. Let's go. 21 seconds to spare. And I did it my first try. Oh yeah, look at this. That's the path of a bandit right there. No wasted time. Up, jump up, yes. Down onto there, perfect, into there. Had to go up a step, steal the loot, jump out, and run away. That's how you do it. I'd like to... Amateur, yeah, I got a new tool. What did I get? Blowtorch. Love blowtorch. Alright. I think that's where I'm gonna leave it off for today. I mean, how are we gonna top off that run? That was a perfect run. It's gonna get in shape before I go. And yeah, this was perfect. Hope you all have a good one.